Join me as I dive into Nikon's 2025 camera announcement and see if I can guess all the new features before they reveal them. Nikon is a name that's synonymous with exceptional photography, and for good reason. With a rich history dating back over a century, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, producing some of the most iconic cameras of all time. When it comes to staying on top in the photography industry, Nikon knows that innovation is key. With Sony and Canon hot on their heels, Nikon can't afford to rest on their laurels. The 2025 camera announcement is a critical moment for the brand to prove its mettle and show the world what it's capable of. The question is, what kind of innovation can we expect to see? Let's face it, the camera market is more competitive than ever, and Nikon needs to bring its A-game if it wants to impress. With the rise of mirrorless cameras and the increasing popularity of smartphones, Nikon needs to demonstrate a clear understanding of what photographers want and need. That means delivering a camera that doesn't just tick the boxes but blows them out of the water. We're seeing a move away from traditional SLRs and towards mirrorless systems, and Nikon needs to respond to this shift. This means focusing on features like improved autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and a more intuitive user interface. Anything less would be a major disappointment. One thing's for sure, Nikon can't afford to play it safe. They need to take risks and push the envelope when it comes to design, functionality, and performance. When it comes to potential features and advancements in the 2025 camera, the possibilities are endless. We might see further advancements in AI-powered autofocus, improved low-light performance, and even more advanced video capabilities. Maybe we'll see a new level of customization, allowing photographers to tailor their camera to their individual needs. With the rapid advancement of technology, it's not hard to imagine a future where cameras can do things we never thought possible. Maybe we'll see the introduction of multi-lens systems, allowing for unprecedented levels of flexibility and creativity. Maybe we'll even see cameras that can learn and adapt to a photographer's style over time. It's also possible that Nikon could shake things up with a completely new form factor. Imagine a camera that's more like a smartphone, with interchangeable lenses and advanced computational photography capabilities. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this announcement so exciting. But what if I told you that Nikon has something truly revolutionary up its sleeve? Something that could change the game and leave its competitors scrambling to catch up. Imagine a camera that can see in multiple spectrums, allowing photographers to capture images that were previously impossible. This kind of technology would open up new possibilities for photographers, allowing them to capture the invisible, the unknown, and the unseen. It would be a true game changer, and one that would cement Nikon's position as a leader in the photography industry. Of course, this is all speculation, but one thing's for sure, Nikon's 2025 camera announcement has the potential to be a real showstopper. Whether it's improved autofocus, advanced video capabilities, or something truly revolutionary, one thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. Thanks for joining me on this speculation-fueled journey into the world of Nikon's 2025 camera announcement. What do you hope to see in the new camera? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more photography insights and analysis, be sure to check out my other video on the top cameras of 2023.